Hello students, today is the fourth period of lesson number 8, Food and Digestion. Before going ahead, let's take a quick recap. Our body needs 3 to 4 liters of water daily. Roughage helps to remove waste material through stomach and out of the body. So, we should include food items which helps to remove the waste from the body. We should avoid eating junk food as it is not good for our health. The diet that contains all the nutrients in the right proportion is called balanced diet. Making food edible. It is not necessary that all food must be cooked before eating. Some fruits and vegetables and nuts are eaten raw. We must always wash fruits and vegetables well before eating. Fruits and vegetables contain vitamins, especially vitamin C, which gets lost in cooking. Foods like cereals, pulses, and most vegetables are cooked before eating. The different advantages of cooking food are: proper cooking makes food more tasty. Cooking makes food soft, tender, and easy to digest. Some food items may contain germs. Cooking kills the germs and makes them harmless. So, it is very important food should be cooked before eating. Different ways of cooking food like baking, roasting, boiling, steaming, and frying. All these methods have their own advantages and disadvantages. So, let us study all the processes in detail. Let us study the cooking method. First one, baking. An oven is used for baking food items. Nutritive value of food is preserved in this method, and the food item is low in fats. The food is rich in taste. I know you all love to eat cakes, bread, and different types of cookies. All these food items are prepared by baking method. Second method of cooking is roasting. Roasting chapati is an example of this method. By using this method, food can be cooked very quickly and it improves the texture and flavor of the food item. Different food items can be cooked by using this method. Example, barbecue, vegetables and corn. And as the food is roasted, it is very easy to digest and it makes food very tasty. Next method of cooking food is boiling. It is the most simple method of cooking food. Boiled food is very easy to digest. It is suitable for large-scale cooking food. But one disadvantage of this method is that water-soluble nutrients can be lost if water in which food is discarded, or the nutritional value of the food decreases if we boil the food for a longer time. Most common examples of boiled food is boiling potatoes and yes, boiled eggs. Next cooking method is steaming. Pressure cooker is most commonly used instrument for steaming food items. Steaming retains the original vitamins and minerals of the food items. This method helps to soften the fibers of vegetables and fruits and so it is easy to digest. And this is the quick and most inexpensive method of cooking food. I know children, you all like to eat idli, dhokla and modak. But do you know all these food items are prepared by steaming method? The last method of cooking food is frying. Frying puri is an example of this method. Do you know the advantage of frying method? Frying gives crisp to the outer covering of the food. It gives unique flavor to the food and it makes the food tender and juicy from inside. But this method has also some disadvantages. The food cooked by using this method is high in fat as oil is used in this method for frying purpose. So, we should avoid having too many fried food items in our diet. We all like eating different fried food items. For example, garma garam pakoras during rainy season are awesome. And our all-time favorite French fries and modak that we have during Ganpati festival. All these food items are used by frying method because it is the easiest and quick method and it makes food delicious and it takes a very little time for preparation. Let us take a quick recap what we have studied in today's period. Cooking methods. Cooking food makes the food soft, tasty and digestible. It also helps to kill the germs. Some food items can be eaten raw, such as fruits, nuts, etc. There are different ways of cooking food, such as baking method, roasting, boiling, steaming, and frying. Cooking must be done properly, that is, at correct temperature. Otherwise, the food may lose some or all the necessary nutrients present in them. It's time to know some interesting facts. Chewing of coffee beans acts as mouth freshener as it inhibits the growth of bacteria in our mouth. Do you know, children? The only difference between the jam and jelly is that jam is made with fruits, meanwhile jelly is made with the fruit juice. Thank you. See you in the next period. Till then, bye-bye.